Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best glass storage containers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Razab 24 PC Glass Food Storage Containers. Value for money is the ultimate aim of every person out there. You want the best you can, or better, for the bucks you pay. In terms of glass storage containers, Razab HomeGoods Glass Food Storage Containers would be your best bet for getting a value for money. Launched quite time ago, Razab HomeGoods Glass Food Storage Containers was the best sold product, and even today, the sales numbers speak. Having such amazing features, all this is bundled up at a cost, which may seem high for few, but is actually very good if you compare its features. Our bet is Razab HomeGoods Glass Food Storage Containers would be the best glass storage containers for money. At number 4. BakeOh Glass Food Storage Containers. If you are the sort of a person who doesn't compromise on quality and is ready to shell a little extra, then BakeOh Glass Food Storage Containers is your choice. They say you either buy a quality product once or buy cheap products every day, the cost comes to same. The new BakeOh Glass Food Storage Containers comes with best price. It is industry's most trusted, most preferred and quality glass storage containers, and it considered as gold standard by many users as well as non-users. If you are looking for a long-time investment with a quality glass storage containers, then don't look beyond BakeOh Glass Food Storage Containers. The product is featured, highlighted and appreciated in reviews of glass storage containers in 2020, and this has been backed by many users. At number 3. PrepNaturals Glass Meal Prep Containers. If you are buying a glass storage containers for the first time, then you should have PrepNaturals Glass Meal Prep Containers. It has fewer features when you make glass storage containers. Comparisons of PrepNaturals Glass Meal Prep Containers with any other glass storage containers, but what it has is ease of use and best-in-class service. Go ahead and grab a glass storage containers, grab any glass storage containers, but if you are first-time user and want a good experience, do not look anywhere other than PrepNaturals Glass Meal Prep Containers. At number 2. DEKINMAX Large Glass Food Storage Containers. DEKINMAX Large Glass Food Storage Containers is again a mid of quality and price. It offers limited features in this pricing. There is another variant of DEKINMAX Large Glass Food Storage Containers which falls into premium category, but DEKINMAX Large Glass Food Storage Containers is specifically targeted for mid-segment. DEKINMAX Large Glass Food Storage Containers offers such amazing features which makes it better than 70% of glass storage containers available in the market today. DEKINMAX Large Glass Food Storage Containers was our personal favorite and was voted as most admired product in top 10 best glass storage containers to buy in 2020 top picks. We hope it makes to that list again this year. At number 1. PrepNaturals Glass Meal Prep. Last but not the least, if you haven't liked any of the glass storage containers yet, then PrepNaturals Glass Meal Prep Containers is your choice. It is another one which is best glass storage containers under $100, and glass storage containers comparison have showed it has ranked best in past based solely on its features. PrepNaturals Glass Meal Prep Containers offers best features, and although it does not have PrepNaturals Glass Meal Prep Containers' feature is unbeatable. We would recommend you to go ahead with this if you want an all-rounder best glass storage containers under $100. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.